I passed out BTech in 2019. Then I got a job in MNC, but I'm not happy with the work in that MNC, and I left that company. After that, I'm looking for a job in the product-based company. Yeah, but I'm not able to find out due to my low skills were at that time. So in the pandemic time, I mean before the pandemic time, I found about the course at ANU, and I at the post I got very interested. Then I joined at ANU in May 2020. Yeah, and I am from coding background. I'm from computer science back, but I can say even I'm from coding background. My most skills, means the most coding skills, such as the web development skills, are I learned in Ateneo only. Before that, I am you can say a newbie like that. You can means coding and non-coding is not depend on this course. You can learn fresh start, and I did that part only. I just started from new from scratch, and I cracked the. I found out what at a new in a mail from CoCubes. Means I'm searching for jobs. At that time, I found this post in a mail in the CoCubes. Then I got enrolled for this course. And the most useful part means I found the most useful part in ATNU is the curriculum and the structure they have. Means for every month there will be a test for a particular course up to completed that month, and the CCs and assignments, and the mentor you have, the mentor will assist you and they will guide you, and the CCs and assignments will be very interesting. And when you complete your CC assignment, your skills will be developed automatically on the month end exam. This particular the fixed schedule is there, no? That was the useful part for me, because you will have a plan what you are learning and what to do. Yeah, that is the most useful part in ATNU. Means my placement experience is I got interviewed for 3 to 4 companies, and I got cracked two companies. One is from Ahmedabad and one is from Bangalore, and I choose Bangalore company. And my interview experience smooth. My interview is become very easy because of the assignments and monthly test I done in the ATNU only. I found it very easy, and the interview preparation is also the questions given by ATNU only. I prepared it, and it will be helpful very much. And yeah, it is very smooth. You can means see if you are honest for the 9 months course, then you can crack interview very easy. Be honest in what you are doing. Means don't think about the final result. Just if means think about the day you are working, and just do the thesis assignments on your own, and try to crack it and try to complete each monthly and test. And means they don't if you learn the topic each and every day on on the day only, it will be very easy, and you can feel very less burden. Don't take it lightly, and if just be honest on yourself, and just do the hard work you have to do. Then yeah, you can do what you can get what you want. That is my advice. Just be honest on yourself. uh, yeah, thank you.